Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming exactly what you're removing and why. That dictates technique. Start by spraying penetrating oil at the base and any visible fasteners, letting it soak for 10-15 minutes so the threads or rust soften. Once done, remove attached fittings and cut any brackets flush using an angle grinder or reciprocating saw. This gives clear access to the anchor point. Make sure to keep a firm stance and eye protection. The goal is to expose the connection so you can lift or extract efficiently. Now focus on separating the post from its anchor. If bolts hold it, unthread them. If welded, cut through welds while controlling heat. Once freed, attach a chain or clamp low on the post and use a hydraulic jack or post puller to lift straight up. This prevents bending and reduces soil resistance. If the post is set in concrete, drill holes around the sleeve or cut the anchor plate. Once the connection is weakened, rock the post back and forth to loosen before lifting. To finish, pull the post fully free, then lift out any attached sleeve or broken concrete chunks. Use a pry bar and shovel to clear the hole and compact backfill. If you plan to reuse metal parts, wire brush rust, apply rust converter and prime. If the post refuses to budge, apply heat to the base to expand metal or add a second jack and spreader to increase upward force. Be cautious with heat near flammables. If threads snap, cut below and extract remaining stub with vice grips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.